Okay guys, I'm leaving the resort. It was a very pleasant stay. This is the day 4 of my ride. Day 4 is Alappuzha to Trivandrum. Bike is all good and set up. Yes, let's sit. Okay. Kana. Oh. Shiri, bye. Bye. It was a very good resort, man. I love the stay in here, the atmosphere. The whole vibe is really good. You have to, if you're coming to Alappuzha, you should definitely come here. I would rate the resort about maybe 9.5 out of 10. The resort name is Aqua Palace, by the way. I'm gonna miss Alappuzha actually, even though I complained a lot about Alappuzha, that it being only water all around, but I actually love it. So good in here. Okay, so the time right now is 7:12 in the morning, and the map shows me it'll take me 3 hours 18 minutes to reach. This is the same road that we went yesterday to Nagapara. If you haven't watched the day 3 video, go and watch it. And I'm feeling, holy crap, buddy. Did you see that? If I wouldn't have tucked in, I would have for sure hit that bird, that pigeon. Dude, what is happening? This is the second time the same thing happening with the bird. The second encounter with a bird. Imagine I wasn't looking at the road. I would have definitely hit that bird, and I don't know, it would have fell on my camera. It would have fell here, then I would have crashed. That would have been much worse. Look at this. Everything what you look at in Alappuzha is a view, basically. The ETA that it is showing me is 10:34 AM. I'll probably reach there at around 10 o'clock maybe, because I always beat Google's time, except for the day 1 actually, because I was taking insane amount of breaks that day. A lot of breaks. I really went mad on the day 1 night. After Kochi, when I reached Kochi, it was around 8 o'clock. No, it was around 7 o'clock, and it was pretty dark, and this is the kind of road I get for the next 100 kilometers. Man, I got insanely mad and frustrated. So what I did was just rip it in 100. Trivandrum to the right. I've never been on this road, I suppose. Have I? I don't know. Yeah, I've been on this road, yeah, of course. Of course, like a couple of times. It's a Passat. That's a nice car, but I like the Octavia more. The new one is R something 245 or something like that. I don't know. I don't know much about that, but I know about the old Octavia RS, man. Octavia RS with a stage 3 or 4 remap. Insane. You know, but I'm also more like an Endeavour guy too. You know, SUV type of guy. But I'm myself in a bit of confusion. So please don't ask me. Bro, I really want to get a new headlight for my bike. It's in, what is that, Bandidos pit stop in Thrissur. I don't know if I want to go there and get it fixed, or I'm in a dilemma, you know. I'm a lot of confusion if I want to get it. I like the what I'm talking about is the bubble headlight. The whole headlight is going to change, that kind of a thing. But I don't know. I'm not sure. Nothing is sure with me, you know. I'm a pretty confusing guy. These roads are fun again. I always like this curvy roads, man. Insane. This is hyping me up a bit. No one can control me when I'm hyped, you know. I'm insanely hyped when I'm hyped. Yeah, I just said it. My bike just turned into reserve mode. I'll have to fill the fuel right now. Okay, you guys have a look out, okay? Tell me when there's a petrol bunk. Yo, dude, this guy is overtaking someone, is it? Oh man, okay. We triple overtaking, boys. Okay, buddy, are you doing it or not? Or should I do it? Yeah, okay, fine, bro, fine. Okay, I get it. That man was going wild on that flashing game. I keep on missing the petrol bunks, and some of them intentionally, because I don't want to go there. It's okay, there's a petrol bunk right in about 100 meters. That's my guess. Let's see. No, it's more. It's not 100 meters. It's probably like 400 meters. No, it's not even 400 meters. Alright, it's like 1 kilometer. Okay, shut up. Full. മതി. $786.44, 9.52 liters. Alright. ക്യാമറ യൂട്യൂബിൽ വീഡിയോ ഇടാനാണ്. ഇല്ല, ഞാൻ ബാംഗ്ലൂരിൽ നിന്ന് വന്നതാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ ട്രിവാൻഡ്രം പോവാണ്. Alright, petrol is up, full tank, 9.52 liters. So I'm getting an average mileage of about 53, 44, something like that, 42 to 44, something like that. I'm kind of starving, but you know what I'll do? I'll have a tea and some small snacks or something, and then I'll go to my home and then have breakfast. I should probably do that. Okay, I'm currently in Venyaramudu. I've got 30 minutes to go. I've got 30 kilometers to go. I haven't even stopped for any tea break, nothing. I don't know if I even stop right now because it's only about 29 kilometers. I might just go to my home and have food. Yes, election urgent. Oh, is it? Looks like it's about to rain. You can see some dark clouds. I wish, man. I wish it doesn't rain. This is what I like about this place. Every roads are similar. Okay, so the plan in Trivandrum is spend 2 or 3 days, including today. Either today and tomorrow, or today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. I don't know. I might spend my third day, that is day after tomorrow, just visiting my relatives. So I might not record anything on that day. It's just gonna be me going around visiting all my relatives. Oh yeah, that was fun too. It's been a long time since I seen all of them. Finally, it's only about 2.4 kilometers from here. Okay guys, I guess that's it for the video. I don't know if I'm gonna end the video here, or I might go out again today and I might add that in today's video. I don't have any idea about that. Let's see. It depends upon my mood. So that's it for the video. I'll see you guys later, and yeah, bye bye.